Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the most needed skill to succeed in online business. It can be any type of business like drop shipping, freelancing, blogging, or anything else. There is one common and important skill that each of these businesses require, and that is copywriting. So, what is copywriting? What are the sources through which you can learn copywriting? What is the scope of copywriting, especially, which is helpful for freelancers, are some of the topics that we'll cover today. But before getting into all this, guys, there is something that I would like to bring into your notice. So, what most of them think is that online business is a job where if you just go and type something or copy paste some kind of information, you'll get paid immediately for it, and that it is a very easy source of income. But in reality, guys, that is not the case. And if there are companies that are portraying this kind of information about copywriting, then it is most likely to be a scam. And if you wish to create a living out of online business and make it a steady source of income for yourself, you'll have to build a business around it. And this will involve a lot of things, guys, a lot of learnings, hard work, and dedication that you'll have to put in. You'll have to give in your best. You'll have to put good amount of efforts until you reach your break even point. So once you reach there, you'll have more clarity and you'll be able to handle your business better. So in case you're new to it, then this is more of a disclaimer for you, right? So for example, if we consider this YouTube channel, this is also an online business, and initially, you'll have to put in a lot of efforts, like you'll have to upload videos regularly, you'll have to keep an interaction with the audience. But once the channel reaches its monetization, we'll start receiving a passive income out of the previous videos that we have uploaded, right? Even if there is a gap in uploading the video, there'll be some source of income that we'll receive. Of course, the amount that we receive, it'll be less when compared to what we receive if our videos are regularly updated, but it is still better, right? Because something is better than nothing. So that's how it is. Okay, so now let's dive into the topic. What is copywriting? In layman's language, let's imagine a book about self improvement, right? So if you want to sell this book online, no one is going to buy this book if you just say it is a really good book, read it, right? That's not how you market your product. You'll have to write how it is going to help the reader, or how will it help them elevate their life, how will it contribute in their life. You'll have to understand what psychological factors will trigger them to buy your book, right? You'll also have to give a product description or an ad copy using persuasive words, so that the buyer is influenced to buy your product, right? So this is called copywriting. So why is copywriting important to make sales or to land clients? When you sell a product directly, that is via offline means, when you meet the person, have a face to face interaction, there is a face value there, right? And you start building trust. It is easier to build trust when you meet the person offline and have a face to face interaction. But when you're selling online, you are in one part of the world and the buyer is in another part of the world, right? It is not easy for you guys to meet. So for your customer to make an easier buying decision, a product description or an ad copy is really necessary, and we have to ensure that the product description is great. It is persuasive enough to influence them to consider buying your product, and not only consider, like, yeah, they should be able to buy your product easily after reading your product description. That's how great it should be. So if you don't use the right set of words, your sales will decrease. And no matter what you're selling, guys, it can be your own product, it can be drop shipping, it can be an affiliate product, it can be ebooks or courses, whatever it is, copywriting plays a significant role there. Now we'll see where you can learn copywriting for free and take your skills to the next level. But before that, guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button, which will help us reach more people, and of course motivate us, to make better and much more knowledgeable videos for you. So moving on, the first source to learn copywriting is copywritingcourse.com. I'll give this link in the description below. You can check it out there. And if you're a beginner, guys, I recommend you trying this website first before you follow any other sources. So basically, if you have 30 minutes to spend and need to cover the basics of copywriting, this course will be really helpful for you. The second source is udemy.com. You will find a lot of both paid and free courses available on Udemy, and there are a lot of free courses available on copywriting as well. I'll just show it to you. So search for copywriting in the search tab, and select free under price filter option, and there you go. There are a lot of free courses with lifetime access available for you. And guys, of course, if you are ready to spend money and learn courses, you can very well opt for the paid one as well, but I would recommend you to try the free courses first. So the third source to learn copywriting is, of course, YouTube videos. It is a simple way of learning, guys. So just like how you've come across this video while you were probably researching about how to learn copywriting, you got this video, right? And I'll put the link for another video in the description below, so you'll get a clearer understanding about copywriting from that video as well. So I've mentioned 3 free sources to learn about copywriting, and using these 3 sources and a little bit of practice is enough for you to get from basics to an advanced level. And guys, if you have thought about providing copywriting as a freelancing service, I would recommend you to just go for it, because once you have mastered copywriting, your earning capacity will become very much higher. And actually, one of my school friends is a freelancer, and an Indian client had asked her for 300 words of copywriting, and they paid her $500 for it. So for only 300 words, which probably took her 30 minutes to 40 minutes to write, she earned $500. I mean, 30 minutes of work and a chance to earn $500. Who wouldn't want that, right? So that's the power of copywriting, guys. And there are a lot of companies, personal brands, and creators who are in need for copywriters. So basically, there's demand for them, but there aren't many copywriters. So once you've mastered this skill, you'll be able to sell your services for a higher price. But obviously, you'll not be able to charge $500 for 300 words right when you start. But however, guys, you can increase your price when you level up your skills and you get some customer reviews and testimonials. So now that you have learned and practiced copywriting, you now wish to start freelancing. But where can you start? The answer for this is that you can directly get clients from your friends or family circle. That is via various referrals. But if you're looking to do copywriting at a broader range, then I recommend you using Fiverr or Upwork. So if you're not aware of what Fiverr or Upwork is, then I'll help you. It's basically like Amazon, but for providing service. You can buy or sell any service, that is copywriting, logo designing, video editing, and much more using these 2 websites. So you can look upon videos as to how to create an account and work around these 2 websites. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you've understood the importance of copywriting in online business. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.